Morning, people. I'm up in the hills in Aycliffe, just having a fire on my Todd. Aycliffe is there somewhere. Yeah, nice little campfire. Wish I had a cup of tea though. To be honest, I'm feeling a bit thirsty. Yeah, it's been raining on and off since about what, 7:30. Yeah. I've obviously been here before. There's my old fire from about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, obviously it's a bit bigger, as you can tell. But yeah, it's nice little cosy spot here. It's yeah, obviously it's a bit open at the top, but never mind, eh? It still keeps you nice and dry. I'm dry. I'm sort of in the bushes, sort of thing. So yeah. Well, that's what I just thought I'd tell you what I'm up to for the morning. Now I'm gonna go back to Aycliffe and have a cup of tea, I reckon. Right, well, ciao people. See you later.